One of the biggest problems faced by India is poor sanitation.
Often, garbage is disposed on roads and clogged sewers spew sewage onto roads. Clogged sewers and manholes pose a health risk and emit bad odor.
According to the Times of India, the residents of Sector 47D in Chandigarh have been suffering from bad odor due to four manholes that have been overflowing through cracks and gaps for the past 20 years.
Often, garbage is disposed of on roads and clogged sewers spew sewage onto roads. Clogged sewers and manholes pose a health risk and emit bad odor. Overflowing manholes lead to the stagnation of water that in turn leads to the propagation of diseases spread by mosquitoes and or accidents due to poor visibility of potholes. It also affects the well-being of people who clean and maintain manholes. They experience many types of skin diseases and physical injuries when trying to fix or maintain manholes. Our solution is to provide an alert when the water level in a manhole reaches a higher than average level due to the manhole getting blocked. Our mechanism consumes zero energy when the water level is normal. We have designed the working prototype by using only a 9-volt battery, a buzzer, a tilt switch, a float mechanism, and an LED. We have designed a float mechanism in a 3D printer and printed it. The float mechanism has a plastic ball and a tilt switch attached to it. When the ball is lifted due to an increase in water level, the tilt switch will be lifted along with the ball, completing the circuit. This will result in a warning in the form of light and sound. A buzzer is covered with a rubber diaphragm which makes it waterproof and dustproof. Also, the sound gets transmitted through the rubber diaphragm. Hence, it would not require constant battery changes and maintenance. When there is an alert, the buzzer will be on until it is turned off or the battery drains. The buzzer can ring for about 20 hours. We tested the intensity of the sound measured at about 100 decibels and can be heard from a distance of 20 meters. To understand more about our problem statement and project, we interviewed the corporator to understand the cause of manhole overflow and how the corporation work, clean and maintain manholes. We also interviewed MCC workers who clean and maintain manholes. They told us that the only way they identify blockage or overflow in manhole is the complaint raised by the residents. Taking immediate action after getting the overflow alert will prevent bad odor and stagnation of water, which in turn stops the propagation of disease spread by mosquitoes, etc.
We would like to improvise our model as suggested by the Mysore City Corporation engineer to add a system to our model which can prevent the entry of materials from households to main sewage pipes that clog the sewage system.